Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about the 10x income system by Tabby D. So, is it too good to be true? Okay, let's find out. Alright, so the 10x income system is an affiliate system made by Tabby D. Of course, you might have heard of this, you might have seen some of my previous videos, but assuming you didn't, the 10x income system is an affiliate system that you can promote on autopilot. And how can you do this? Well, it's through Tabby D's traffic packages. Now, let me explain a little bit if you don't already know. Tabby D is a Google traffic expert, guys. So within these packages, that she provides, she is already collecting quality leads just for you that you can send to these affiliate links so you can actually get some results. Now, when you do this, there is no need to pitch people. There is no need to try to sell people or anything like that. And someone who's watching this video might be asking, hey, are you just making this whole YouTube channel just so you can promote this? So wouldn't that be in a way pitching? Well, it can be, but here's the thing. I actually just built this YouTube channel just to review this program and let people know what's actually inside. So I'm actually starting a series that's actually breaking down this program so people know exactly what they're in for before they actually get to purchase it. So I like to think I'm bringing a little bit more awareness of what's actually inside of this program, guys. So if you have any other questions regarding that, just let me know in the comments below. But the 10x income system is a system that you can promote through Tabby traffic packages. The affiliate program, the 10x income system itself, is $297 as of this moment. But it used to be $997, but now there is a giant price cut, guys. And this won't last for long, so you can change this at any moment. And there is actually a 365-day money back guarantee right now. So anyone who is a member of this program, including me, who is not satisfied with the service that is providing, can get their money back at pretty much any time. So that is just a great thing we got going on right there, guys. So it's pretty much nothing to lose, all right? So this is a way you can generate passive income through these traffic packages, guys, that Tabby D is providing. This is real. Plenty of people are making money with this. I've seen it with my own eyes, but don't take my word for it, guys. Look Tabby D up. Look up the 10x income system, guys. As always, I have links down below in the description so you can actually check out this page for yourself, guys, if you think this is for you. But hey, if you want to learn anything else about Tabby D, guys, I would highly recommend that you go ahead and look her up for yourself, guys, and do your own research on there in more detail, guys, than what I'm providing. I do have other videos where I'm talking about Tabby D and some of her accomplishments. If you want to check that out, guys. But links are in the description, guys, so you can actually check out this page and see what it's doing for me and other people for yourself, guys. All right. That's going to be pretty much it for this video, guys. Just to repeat myself, guys, it's $297 right now. Giant price cut. 365-day money back guarantee. Not sure how long this will last, but anyone who is a member of this actually can have their money back at pretty much any time. So I know I'm just repeating myself here, but there is literally nothing to lose. So do some more research on Tabby D and see what she's all about as well, guys. But that's going to be pretty much it for this video. If this information was helpful, please let me know down in the comments below, guys. And that's going to be pretty much it. All right, guys. See you next time.